Welcome back to this video. If you are a Glow user and you want to remove your number from private number each time you are making outgoing calls on your Glow line, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you get it done without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to go to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open up my phone dialer. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down and make sure you go to carrier features. The next thing you need to do is to select your Glow SIM line. Then go to additional settings right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on caller ID. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you switch to network default. It's that simple. So with this, your number will be removed from private number for each time you are making outgoing calls with your Glow line. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.